FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual.
Hey, si voy a comer pizza, ¿me traes un agua?
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned.
You bring me a water when you get pizza upstairs.
Niggas caught me slipping once.
You bring me a water.
Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, I house of this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it's been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the lick. Ooh. Ooh, too many convicts that rolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, round about nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. Ooh, I'm trying to tote that Draco in London and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, we some poor, high class niggas made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando, live on my neck, my wrist. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got promethazine in my blood and Percocet. Man, I ain't gonna need front. This shit sitting in the middle of the hood. I've been serving fiends, get my racks. About to buy me some studio time, make me a song.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
I'm about to go big.
You can't spit. For real?
I got bars, fool.
Man, you need a hard video.
If I do the video, you got directed. You got the vision.
Don't gas me up.
You gonna be bigger than Lil X. You see how his videos be popping, nigga. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it's been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call him Serene. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, claret the pinky. All fat though, we order the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the voo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face to the news. I put the puss on the shirt. After I murdered it, make him go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird. Nigga's birthday and you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it's been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was
Depending if he tells you everything's perfect, everything's perfect. Good morning, Fofana, Rami, and Peter. What to do, Peter? Paras, good morning. Are you gonna be here with us today, Paras, or you're dipping or something? Oh, that boy, Bleach in the house. Sohan. Keto. What to do, Keto? The Kenyan guy is back.
35 mil.
35 mil, please.
Shout out to Kenya.
What do you want to do? You want again? Yeah, one more time. You're the boss.
Guys, high-key price action might be looking pretty clean for us. Like, price is actually finally moving, right? That's what I like about GJ. Regardless of it leaving us behind, it's finally freaking moving. I'll get ready to do a breakdown when we get a little bit more people in here. Just reached home, sneaking from trap. College shit. What to do, Steven? My dog Rick. Hey Duncan. I can't get to VIP group. Why can't you get to the VIP? We have new links. There's new links. I'm not sure if I need to. I think I need to edit those links. Yeah, there are new links to get to the VIP. But oh, Duncan VIP, Blow Source VIP.
Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to
I'll be fucked up if you can't be right there. Oh, that's the wrong one. You know what? That's fine. Oh, the echo. All right, let me go back to the chat. What's good, AJ? I just got executed on GJ Longs. GJ Longs look money today. Could it be a little bit early for GJ Longs? Nonetheless, it's GJ Longs is looking like it's the way to go, right? Let's do a little bit of a GJ breakdown. Let's go look at the monthly first of all on GJ. Monthly on GJ, we zoom out, we see that we are very bullish. Monthly tried to creating a low. We actually rejected off the monthly like 0.618. If we throw a monthly low, monthly high, 0.618, possibly you could consider this 764. We rejected off of it. We might continue to be bullish, right? This is the impulse, right? Low and a high. Then this is the retracement. We possibly have to make a new high with this new monthly candlestick, right? Weekly looks very bullish, clearly very bullish. Does that mean that we have to completely disregard that the fact that like sells are possible still? No, man. Sells could still completely be within like the possibilities. Do I think it's a high chance? Dude, it's honestly not too much of a low chance. Like sells could still play out. It takes a strong bearish opening for price to melt like 30 pips instantly, and out of nowhere you get, you gain. Damn, never mind. I'm not sure how possible sells are here. Like short-term sells, yeah, I could see us melting probably like 100 pips downwards for like 3 hours. But no, dude. Now that I'm breaking this down, it just, I haven't done really much of a GJ breakdown yet. This is actually the first time I'm looking at GJ. Not the first time I'm looking at GJ, but the only breakdown I've really done. And yeah, so now when I'm looking at the daily candlestick chart, we had 3 bearish days that didn't have much volatility in it. We're still within the range in those 3 bearish days, and then we just had one bullish day that completely took over all that. Almost recovered the full position. New daily candlestick is about to recover the whole move that we went to the downside. Price action is telling me that we should be looking for longs. Now, hopping in right now all the way at resistance would be a little bit risky. Nonetheless, price might keep on going up without even giving a chance for anybody to hop in while the song's ass. What's good, Duncan? As I'm speaking, my GBP cat is flying, bro. It's not a problem. I just need help. Wait, what? It's not a problem. I just need help. Not understanding. Sign on last week. Wait. Fulfana, as in like you signed up for the VIP and you still haven't been able to access it in the group? Is that what you're trying to say? Make sure that your Discord email is the same email that you used to sign up for the VIP, right? And then you have to go and like verify a little code it gives you somewhere. I could help somebody help you out. Who was it that hopped into GJ Longs? Wow, they hopped into just bouncing off over here. It might be a fucking good ass entry. I'm hopping on early because I don't really want to miss any moves. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to catch anything from pre-London. Nonetheless, I'm going to be here for a while, boys. We're having a long session. We're trying to have one of them good sessions. When I was looking at GU looked a little bit cleaner to me. If I zoom out at GU looks like an upside down head and shoulders. Like this. Doom. You know, you guys see what I'm seeing on the, you guys agree this little kind of looks like an upside down head and shoulders? There's the 1 hour looks. Down channel, side channel, up channel. I'm in it for longs, boys. I'm very long on the GBP pairs. I wonder how EU is looking. Let's look at EU. Wow, man. EU on the weekly could be money right now. Money, money, money. What do you guys see here? Long? Sure, guys, I'm going to ask the chat. We got 21 people in here. Let's see how many people we get to answer. Ones in the chat if you guys see EU being a buy, or twos if you see EU being sells. EU, Euro USD. If you guys want to take a chance to go look at it yourselves on the chart. This is the daily. This is the 4 hour. Let me zoom into the 4 hour with a different little perspective. Wow. Upside down head and shoulders also on the EU. Wow, dude. Maybe we should take some EU longs, bro. I ain't even joking about that. Yes, I have a stream win loss record, brother. I could send it to you guys. Spread sheet. And you can access it in my Discord also. The link's right there. Oh. Discord. Ooh, guys, I'm having my coffee right now, so you guys gotta give me a little bit of a break. My energy will be up to par very soon. Dude, I really want to take fucking longs on EU. I haven't taken an EU trade in forever. A 40 pip EU long? High key, I'm about to do it. You can't hear me. Can it, Dunk, you feel a bit better the last couple? Dunk, you feel a bit better than the last couple of weeks. Dunk, you feel a bit better than last couple of weeks. I do feel better, I guess. I don't know. I never felt bad. But I do. I mean, I probably feel the same way I felt last week. So I honestly know. I don't feel better than I did last week. Hopefully today will change that. Let's calculate our stop loss. How much I'm going to risk? I'm going to risk about $1,000. Euro USD. Where the fuck is Euro USD? AJ 7 for 7 on the month. Jesus, good shit. Swap with money. 1,000. Stop loss. Say 40 pips. 2.5 lots.
First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. Four and card about 5 and jury. I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young nigga in the 82 land, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy diggers and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy. He's not one of them, bro. I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't count when I spin. S550 2018. Gotta count 20 if you hopping in the bin. Young turn niggas from the D to the A.
40 pips is huge for EU, right? I'm gonna be in here for days if I take a 40 pip stop loss on EU. We'll go 20. I just wish I wasn't taking it all the way at the top, bro. Like, please come down for me, all right? This is a 20 pip stop loss, which is it's acceptable. Just I really wish the price would come back down right now because I'm not even in this trade right now. I need to open up my phone. It's leaving without me, god damn it! Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Schmert. What it do, Daniel Axo? Jay-Z Pips? You're in profit right now. Good shit, brother. Was that on the GJ Long? Come get it back in blood, bitch. All right, price is coming back down. All right, what about a 25 pip stop loss? 25. 4 lots. Brr. Dude, is that, look at the 4 hour on EU, boys. Look at the 4 hour on EU. Upside down head and shoulders. SMAs are about to flip. Look at the daily. Bullish, bullish, bullet. Dude, I'm in on this. Like, I usually don't like trading other pairs, but when I see clean setup like this, it kind of just gets me going. Like, this is perfect. Double bottom, higher, like how this 2 hour candlestick chart, we broke over this 50 SMA, 8 SMA got recovered. You know, it was down channel, side channel. We're about to start forming an up channel. Missed yesterday's stream. How many pips did you win? I didn't stream yesterday, so you didn't miss out on anything. Ugh, fuck the music. I'm not feeling the music right now. I am not feeling the music. I'm feeling that I want an entrance on EU. I'm gonna wait for it to come down a little. Yeah, do you think I should wait for it to come down or just take it? Oh my god, I'm gonna just take it. 25 pips. It's a 4 lot. Should I do this shit? Should I not do this shit? No, I haven't hopped in yet. I opened up my MetaTrader right now, and I'm literally about to pull the trigger, but it's that I hate buying, guys. If you guys watch my streams all the time, you guys know that I hate buying as price goes up. Like this, like, I think patience should be a virtue, and this is not patient if I just hop in it right now. All right, so we're 7 minutes into a new 30-minute candlestick. This is a new 30-minute candlestick, 7 minutes into it. 7 more minutes, this 15-minute candlestick will close also. You could always just catch the pullback. Yeah, that's why I want to be patient and like believe that there is going to be a pullback, but what if there's not going to be a pullback, you know? Let's start calculating what a 25 would look like. This is about what a 25 would look like. We should wait. You can always just catch the pullback. Alright, we will catch the pullback then, boys. GU looks long as balls also. I guess GU and EU kind of look the same because of the US dollar, you know? The correlation looks clean on it. Lows look like they have been made. Why don't we just go and catch GU instead of EU? Will it make more sense? I think it would. Even though GU looks like it might fucking... Price always pulls back for us. Yes, I agree. Patience is a virtue, boys. Ugh. Alright, what about you guys? How did you guys do yesterday? One's in the chat if you guys survived yesterday. One's in the chat if you guys fucking made profit yesterday. That's what I mean by survived. And two's in the chat if you guys fucking lost. And it's fucking okay to be honest. You guys don't need to fucking lie. There's no reason to lie. Lost. We have a couple. We have apparently everybody's a winner nowadays. Good to see you too, Astro. How's everything, brother? Lost. Yesterday was rough, bruh. Yesterday was a huge fake out, and then I don't know where the bullish momentum just fucking caught everybody by surprise, and then it just gave no chance of anybody even hop in it. Yesterday was a rough conditions. Oh, I have like a little bit of a stomach ache, boys. Above this little line, I'm gonna put there's clean buys above here. This is when our daily turns bullish. Our daily bullish flip here on this candlestick chart is going to be a strong indication that we're going to be completely recovering this 8 SMA. We're going to be able to keep on continuing to be bullish. So that's basically above this line right here. There's clean buys above this line, the 1.27850, 1.27850 on GU. Right? So it's basically these highs that we're looking to break right now. These highs are what are going to be telling us what we got to be doing. Let's put a little arrow. Oop. Back to EU. EU is going. Alright, Juice World, the GOAT, man. Wait, what does this say? This is Young Blue. Alright, morning, Luke. How's everything, Luke? Currently building up the patience and expectations to join each stream and see how things going in a couple. Wait, currently building up the patience and expecting to join the stream and see how things go in a couple of months. Brother, glad to fucking know that you're gonna be joining our streams. We have lots of fun. We lose sometimes. We win a lot, but we do lose sometimes. We do have some boring streams where we're watching price and not do much. While we have other streams where, man, everyone's going crazy. Everyone's eating. Some people are blowing accounts, being crazy. We have some fun ass streams in this shit. I fucking love coming online with you guys. Are you in EU? Man, I was trying to call out an entry to EU, but I haven't really gotten a pullback, and I think we're getting the pullback right now. 25 pips does look still kind of big on EU. I'm not gonna lie. Now, is my 25 pips because I really don't want to get stopped out, and I think that the bullish bias has a much stronger chance of hitting than me catching a random trade. So me putting a 25 pip stop loss kind of assures me that, hey, if my trade hits, it's going to be because the bias is bullish. Like us getting stopped out 25 pips would be crazy. 20 pip stop loss on EU max. We'll see what we do. Hopefully it comes down right now. Hopefully it comes down right now. GU and EU though, Luke Kelly. I'm keeping my eyes out on GU and EU. GBP, USD, and Euro USD look really good for longs. Guys, look at my new Yeti mug. It's for coffee. What it do, Filthy? What it do, Filthy? Filthy. I fucking heard what happened. We're not gonna talk about it, I guess, on here on stream. But I fucking heard what happened. Jesus Christ, dude. What a way to get that. I got so pissed when I saw what the fuck happened. So pissed. It's crazy how fucking, dude, people are fucking haters in this world. People like just fucking over people. I think people enjoy just fucking over people. It's fucking sad. Jesus Christ. Huge apologies for what happened, Filthy. I mean, I don't know. We'll talk about it after. I'm down 2.9%. Balanced on equity on my challenge account, but I have already gone past the point where I feel nervous, exhausted, and wishing I took a full margin. Dude, think about it this way. Zari, you're down 2.9%. Already to pass that challenge you had to make, maybe if it was my Forex fund's 8% or 10, you already had to you were already buying that challenge. Challenge yourself to make minimum 5%. You had to, let's say 8%. You're only down 3%, brother. You ain't even halfway there. You ain't even halfway there to blowing the account, and you're not even there fucking. And if you make those 3,000 back to your break even, you still thought you were gonna make more. Like you're in literally, dude. Being down 3% is nothing on a challenge. Don't. You cannot get worried right now. You cannot start trading scared, and you cannot changing the leverage and going crazy and doing weird shit. No. That strategy that you know that you've hit a trade before, just be extra patient now. And still risk that 1%. But when you hit that 1-to-1 on that 1%, try to let it ride. Or risk a 0.5% and try to catch a huge risk-reward ratio. Try to go for that one session trade of the day. Don't try to catch a 10, 15 pip scalp. Go for that one session trade. Because every session, every couple hours, there's at least 1 or 2 good trades, main trades. And that's what you need to catch right now. It's gonna take you to be extra patient to make sure that you don't keep on going down in percentage. But you're not even close to blowing that account, brother. Agree or not agree, boys? Being down 3% on a challenge is easy to come back on. You're good. You're hella good. Start worrying about it when you're down double that. So you already expected yourself to make 8%, right? Let's say if it was my Forex fund, minimum challenge pass is 8%. You're only down 3%. Imagine you were up 5% and you needed to pass 3% more to pass the challenge. You need 3% right now. That's your goal. Your goal is to make 3%. Get back to break even. That's it. That's what your goal is. Your goal is not to fucking pass a challenge right now. Your goal is to fucking survive. Jane, what it do? Does someone doing wrong thing with it? I don't know what he said. I want to confirm, does USD/JPY gap the start of the Monday, or is it just my broker's lag? It might be your broker's lag. Really, check a different broker and see what it does. My bad for not cleaning up the charts for you guys, boys. All right, so what we're looking at right now is the fact that we have like a little bit of an upside down head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders on GU and EU, right? Price looks like it's making like this was like the down channel part of it, right? This down here. After that down channel, we had our side channel, which was all of the price basically ranging in between here. This being the liquidity grab, but this is like an upside down head and shoulders right here, you know? I don't know if you guys see that. I know I'm drawing all over it like crazy. But I see price accumulating, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And that's on the 4-hour chart. When we come and look at the daily chart, we had a bullish day, another bullish day. And every time we have a bullish day, we come and start testing previous day lows, like we did here, tested previous day lows. I drew a little horizontal line here at 1.27850. We're looking at GU, but if we cross above this line right here, we're going to be looking at clean buys. Why? Because our daily is going to flip bullish. We start looking at our weekly is going to start looking like we're going to start trying to engulf this 8 SMA, right? That's going to be our target. So once we start flipping bullish, how many pips do we have? Let's see how many pips we have till our 8 SMA. Remember, this is for you, V, if you're watching. Support and resistance act like magnets, boys. Therefore, our 8 SMA, which is a level of resistance and support, this is our target for our weekly. Keeps on going bullish right now. This is the weekly chart. I'm zooming out on it so you guys can see. Let's see how many pips that is away. Right here, 52 pips. Well, that's 52 pips from where we are right now. My bad. Oop. If the weekly flips bullish, we're probably gonna have like, damn, I'm not gonna have too many pips to be able to catch. About 30. All right, we maybe wait for a break and retest of this clean level right here, and then we go for a 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Do you offer account management like Dr. Dollar does? We do offer account management. We currently have, I'm not sure who it, I'm not sure if he's here in the chat. We have the guy, we have one of our first clients. He is up about $11,000 on the account. $11,000 on the account. If he's in here and he wants to fucking say who he is, he can. He's up $11,000 on his account. We passed his first phase, we passed his second phase, and he's up $11,000 on his account, and we're not touching it anymore. And he said that, he was like, if you guys want to keep on trading it, you guys keep on trading it. If you guys don't want to leave it right there, you guys can leave it right there. And Miguel said, we're leaving it right there. And that's not AJ. It's not AJ. If the guy says he's here and he doesn't mind saying that it's him, I'll tell you guys who it is. But I don't want to fucking expose whoever's, you know, whatever. But point is that this guy's fucking up as fuck, $11,000. And yeah, he said that fucking, yeah, we're gonna keep it right there and then keep it going the next month. Fire as fuck. Dude's banking. Dude fucking did the hell of a fire play. 11K on his live account. Yeah. We passed this challenge. We passed this phase 2, and now he's up 11K. That's fucking crazy. And because we're doing a profit split of 50-50 with him, basically all his money's gonna be paid back, plus more money, plus we're getting money. So we told the guy, hey, want to just leave it right there? And he was like, yeah, we're gonna leave it right there. I'm waiting for the guy to come in the chat and be like, yeah, it's me. And I'll tell you guys, yeah, it's this guy. How big of an account? He has a 200K. It's he just barely reached over, was a little bit over. He was like, do you want to reach the 5% or you want to just leave it there? We're like, fuck it, let's just leave it there and we'll go for later. It's at 5%. It's about 5%. A little bit over. It's up more. The profit split is 11K. GBPJPY, you said it will go up and it happened. What the fuck? Cool, bro. I love that we have people that join the stream, the previous streams, and they remember what I say. I was waiting for somebody to be like, bro, this guy's always saying that GJ is still not bearish. GJ, guys, I always tell you guys, boys, I don't know what's happening with GJ. We might fucking lose our trade because but I tell you guys, zoom out on GJ and look at the weekly candlestick charts. Look at the monthly candlestick charts. Look how many weeks in a row we've been respecting the 8 SMA. Look how many months in a row we've been bullish. GJ's been fucking going upwards since goddamn 2020, bruh. Since 2020. Since late 2020. We've been starting to rally. This is December of 2020. Since 2021, GJ has been going upwards. So for the last 3 years that I've been trading, maybe that's why I've been fucking profitable, because I'm always just looking for GJ buys, and I started trading about like 5 years ago, became, you know, profitable about 1 year and a half, 2 years into the journey, you know. It adds up, you know. Fucking check the spreadsheet. We only take buys. Besides, guys, last trade that we took, who took the fucking GU trade with me that we sent to the Signal chat? I actually sent it to the free channel on accident. I meant to send it to my VIP, and then I ended up sending it to the free channel. Nonetheless, I wasn't gonna delete it. I was happy. I was like, fuck it, let's let everybody eat. The trade ended up playing out. This was the sell. It was a sell on GU. It was a head and shoulders. I actually posted a story with this. I posted a story on my Instagram that said, "What do you guys think? Buys or sells?" But without this little P&L. And then everybody said buys, and then I drew out the head and shoulders right there. There's a shoulder, head, and then shoulders, and then I posted that we were in a sell. And the sell ended up happening, but we got stopped at a break even because this was in profit, and then out of nowhere when price started turning around on us, NFP was starting, and I was like, fuck that. Everybody closed at break even. So I wonder if anybody got that. So what's your prediction on trading for tomorrow or today? For today. Man, price Asian session rose a lot. Price rose a lot, and if you look at outside, man, let's look at GJ, we're in a range. So what do we do whenever we're in a range? You know, we trade the range. Sell the top, buy the bottom. Right now, we're at the top, right? So we rallied all fucking previous session and all Asian session. I think that we're going to go downwards a little bit for the beginning of London session. You know, might have a big retracement, show some bearish price action. And then later on, if we form some strong levels of support, man, I see this resistance getting broken by New York or by the London-New York crossover, man. We're going to keep on going upwards. If you look at the weekly on GJ, has already recovered to 8 SMA. Now, is it still possible for us to sell out? 100%. We're going to, but I'm going to be looking for actual sells when we actually start getting this week. When this weekly candlestick flips bearish, man. Truthfully, when the weekly candlestick flips bearish. But if we look at the monthly, bullish candlestick, this is a continuation candlestick, and this candlestick is about to flip bullish, you know? We're in the money. We're in the money when it comes to GJ, but GJ looks like it needs to retrace a little bit. Don't say NFP. NFP, all right. One, on a real note, if y'all want to lock in with Miguel and Duncan on account management, lock in, bro. 200K funded payout. Can't really change some lives for real. Yeah, dude. The dude fucking popped off. Yeah, dude. There's multiple people in here who have passed the challenge with us. And there's like a little testimonials in the Discord section. I don't think it's a good play for everybody. I think it's a good play for whoever has the money to be able to do it. But whoever has the money and skills, but don't ask for a challenge to get passed for you to just then blow the challenge. Don't ask for a challenge to get passed for then us to be in profit for 2 weeks and still not pass it. And I don't know where you guys start freaking out. We haven't had anything happen like that. Nonetheless, I don't know. It's up for the people who have the ability to be able to fucking. Are we in any trades? I am so sorry, sir. We are not in any trades yet. I wanted to get into EU longs. Thank God we didn't hop in it yet. I want to get into GU longs. I'm waiting for price to keep on retracing. We're forming higher highs, higher lows. Market structure looks pretty nice. Wow, London Open is going to happen in 6 minutes. How time flies, brother. We've been online for 30 minutes. Easy payouts. Wow, man. Why don't we hop into GU? Look how the GU is going. I high-key think that we could catch a GU 25 pip trade. 20 pip. GU's too big. GU's like EU. These dollar pairs move so fucking slow now. Fuck that. It looks pretty scary. Good morning. My question is why people buy an account if they don't know how to trade and expect someone to pass it. Phase 1, phase 2, and then from pretty profitable. I mean, the way you trade a challenge account is very different from the way you trade a live account. So if you trade like for example, this guy, I'm not sure how much a 200K account costs exactly from the prop firm he got it from, but you know, he passed for the challenge. He paid for the account. Let's say he paid $1,000. Then he paid another $1,000 for the phase 1 to be passed and phase 2. Therefore, he paid $2,000, $1,000 for the account, another $1,000 for phase 1 and phase 2 to get passed. He told us to go 50-50 with the profit split. I don't know where we start trading the account. We make another fucking 5% on the fucking 200K. That's $11,000. He basically made, and then he said 50-50 profit split. So he's still making more than 100% of his investment return. First month for your like the math is there. I'm not gonna do the math specific for you guys, but basically he put down $2,000. His boy's getting back $5,000. So he made $3,000 profit first month. So yeah, that's, I mean, so yeah, I think the way to go is with the account management if you really want to fucking maintain the account, or you fucking just dog it yourself. You dog it yourself. Alright boys, let's look around for a trade. Enough talking about that shit. London Open is about to start. I'm excited. I'm excited to fucking be back with y'all. Let's look at gold. Sorry for Tahayembe. Guys, gold looks like it's gonna melt out, and I'm usually the type of guy to tell you that this looks long as fuck. Who's long on gold? One's in the chat if you guys are long on gold. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. I want to know who all the gold traders in here. Who are the gold traders in here? Lonely trader. He's a lonely trader. What to do, Lonely? What to do, Eric? How much profit you keep on a funded account? I'm not sure how much we're doing account management profit split wise. It really just it's not really depends. I'm pretty sure that we changed the percentage. I think it's like I have no idea. You could I'll find out for you. It's a little bit less than a 50-50. You guys make more, we make less. Just closed my short, staying out of gold. Alright, you think that we're going to tap into the 1940s? Alright, let's look at the daily on gold right now, boys. So, daily on gold. Dude, why is everything giving me an upside down head and shoulders vibe? Now I just feel like I'm fucking picturing that myself. High key, this might be a really good gold long. Like, if we had news, and this is the way gold was moving, I'd tell you that gold looks like it's a rocket about to take off. Nonetheless, nothing tells me that we're going to have a high volatility. Why? What am I looking for? Why do I think that gold would be able to take off? Due to the fact that this right here looked like it was the impulse of the situation, right? This looked like it was a strong bullish push. And this whole little part that we've been having here, this just looks like a correction phase, boys. And then within this little correction phase, we have another correction phase that's like being formed, which is then we have this impulse right here, double bottom impulse. And then we have this little correction being formed. Correction. Impulse to the upside. Correction. So I feel like this correction phase right here, we could easily reach. So for example, if I think that this market structure is actually bullish, we'd be able to reach like 1980 by the end of fucking New York session with a huge pump, right? But that's what I'm saying. We need a huge pump. We need volatility coming. This looks choppy when you zoom into what the fuck's happening here on the fucking 2 hour. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour also looks choppy as fuck. Yeah. I don't know about gold longs right now. GU retracement, finally. All right, GU is retracing, so I imagine EU is retracing. EU is retracing, guys. Patience is a virtue. Thank God we did not hop into this trade yet. Oof. You know, I love whenever prices falling and we're not in a trade. Gold. I'm not gonna hop into gold. Everything's retracing, boys. Let's wait for price to retrace. I'm gonna keep on looking at the chat. Let's see what the fuck. There has to be a setup that's gonna pop up. But right now, there's nothing. Sup, bro? 30% for you guys. That's what Miguel told me. Yeah, so it's a 70-30 payout. Patience is key. Paras, but patience is spelled P-A-Y. Patience. Juice WRLD, armed and dangerous. I'm not even listening to the music right now, boys. I got my headphones on. Boys, I met up with one of the Bullish Lifestyle boys. One of the Bullish Lifestyle members. We met up this weekend. I'm not sure if you guys saw the Bullish Lifestyle Discord. With one of the OGs who are always here. And the dude was dope as fuck. But it was weird when you first like meet somebody who like you know on the internet, and then I don't know, where you're just like, wow, the people behind the screen are real. Like, there's 71 viewers in here, there's 71 motherfuckers in here who are actually goddamn real. You guys are actually motherfucking real. It's not MP, or we got NPCs in here that are a part of the Matrix. Alright, everything looks like it's retracing. I'm happy that it's retracing and we're not in fucking sells right now. I mean, we're not in buys. Did Miguel call out any trade, boys? Anybody in any trades? What trades are you guys in? Alright, admin signals. Miguel hasn't called out a trade. Miguel has not called out a trade. Alright. Is that when price is melting? I'm always like, dude, is Miguel in this shit right now? Make me a mod. Damn. I want to make Eric a mod because Eric's one of the OGs. I just can't. We need to make sure that we don't got so many mods in this bitch as well. How does my audio sound, boys? Do I sound too low? Do I sound loud? My bad for I'm moving the mic right now. Choke. Alright, boom. Alright, let's look at the daily on GJ right now. Let's clean up the chart again. Cleaning up the chart, we're looking at GJ right now. GJ, for the last few days, we have made lows touching the previous daily lows. Like, for example, yesterday's daily low was... that's confusing to say. Nonetheless, we're at a point where we could completely reject this strong level of support that we're about to form here. Like, we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low. This did not make a higher high. So this was a higher low, this was a higher high. Let's pay attention to what happens here. I'm unsure right now. I'm unsure with what trade I want to take right now, boys. That's the truth. The truth is I'm unsure. Very, market's not been really moving too clean. Now, I feel like we're going to have a volatile session that's going to move a lot cleaner, but definitely we have not been having the cleanest of sessions. Duncan, make some Discord rolls and make Discord cool. Make OG rolls. Not a bad idea. $28 likes, boys. Like up the stream for your dog. I honestly don't have energy in me to tell you guys to like up the stream so much. Where the fuck is my chart? Ventas. Y'all like the Ventas I took the other day? Y'all fuck with the Ventas? Did anybody make any profit on that sell I took? Did anybody say like, oh fuck, Duncan's taking a sell? This thing might really go downwards? Did you guys like my Ventas? This was the sell that I sent. We entered, a small amount of drawdown, and then we went straight into, well, we ranged it around for a bit. Yeah, it wasn't the cleanest of trades. The market was choppy. Wow, EU is also showing some strong ass rejections to the downside. This is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour candlestick on EU is about to flip bearish. 4-hour candlestick on EU has 2 hours left in it, dude. Eric? I mean, I said Eric. Luke? That's exactly what I was thinking right now. I'm thinking. How much your profits on this week, bro? I'm only up like 1%. I posted it yesterday. I got caught into GU fucking long, lost, caught into the long, and then I lost like 0.5%, lost another 0.5%, and then I risked another full percent. Oh no, I risked 2% and then made my percent back and then closed out literally at a 1-on-1. I posted it on my Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Got in at 182. You're in GJ because GJ is 182. So you're in GJ. Damn, GJ's still going. Well, GJ just barely bounced. I'm thinking about getting EU, boys. I haven't traded EU in so long, and EU is giving me vibes that I want to be in. Let's look at GU. GU is that GU looks ugly, bro. Let's look at the DXY right now. Dollar index tells me. Let's look at the daily on the dollar index. I mean, anything could happen at this point, really. Like, it doesn't really tell me shit. It could go both ways. Damn, and gold looks like it's about to die. Huh. Huh. I love it, Paras. All right, EU still going down. EU still going down. Beautiful. Luke, what you thinking, Luke? Did you hop in yet? Or are you? Wow, dude. I kind of hate seeing when GG does these recoveries and I don't catch the snipe. Kind of makes me feel a little bit lame. Damn, did anybody catch this GJ long right now? I mean, it's only gone up 10 pips. Anybody catch this GJ long right now that just barely happened? Lambo Raul is your guru, bro? Lambo Raul is my boy. I've known Lambo Raul for a fat minute. Yeah. What's so funny is that motherfucker plays out of golf right now. I told him how to whoop his ass for any amount of money that he wanted to play. And yeah, we have yet to play. GJ Sell. You crazy boy. I think GJ Sells are there to be played out though. But this 1 hour is very bullish, man. I don't know. I mean, the sell could play out. The sell is scary, but the sell could play out. Especially after the huge move that we had. So you're saying sell off this 5-minute little 8 SMA. I mean, look at the 10-minute. Man, is that, look how it's still going up. Look how price is still going up. This 15-minute candlestick still has more to go. This 15-minute candlestick is 7 minutes into this 15-minute candlestick, and it's still going up. Almost recovering the whole previous 15-minute candlestick. So price action tells me that this is very bullish up to the moment. Unless we start rejecting right now, very, very, very bullish. Today. Bro, Duncan, can you put Juice World? Hold up, AJ. Un segundo. All right, boys, let's get some react. I want to see what you guys are thinking. 1's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ today. 2's in the chat if you guys are bearish. If you guys had to take a trade right now on GJ, would you guys be taking buys or sells? I want to know your honest opinion. I want to know how many sellers we got in here. 1's if you're a buyer, 2 if you're a seller. Wow, this 1 hour candlestick. 9 minutes into this 1 hour candlestick and it's going upwards, bruh. It looks like it's going upwards, but I could be completely wrong. What do you guys think? Damn, this 1 hour candlestick has some momentum. Is it sells, boys, or is it buys? Imagine how fucking savage I would be for taking a sell like this right now. Did my stream freeze, boys? What the fuck? No, it didn't. Why is everybody so quiet?
sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes teary. I fought through it all, but that shit hurt me severely. I've been getting how to hide behind my insecurities.
Sells of this 15-minute flip. So you guys think of this 15-minute flip's bearish? I think that if you guys caught the sell from the 15-minute rejection, which this 15-minute could actually flip bullish. But if you're going to catch the sell, you have to catch the sell from kind of like when I showed this little fake entry right here. This little fake entry would be the entry for a sell. I wouldn't know how I feel about selling once you get to the bottom right here. This is a level of supply that I don't want to be messing around with. It makes it hard to want to have to like hold the take profit here. Right, so that's the thing with why I specifically, my trading strategy, I make sure that I catch whenever I'm in the opposite candlestick, or I catch the retracements. I don't really like hopping into when a momentum candlestick that's going downwards, because this is a huge supply zone. So it's like, why would I want to keep on holding a trade at a supply zone? I currently do not have a Telegram channel group, brother. So let me show you. Let me see this. I'm wondering what's gonna happen on GG right now. I'm actually very curious. Guys, this YouTube live stream is, we're not gonna make it too long. I think we're gonna last like another 20-30 minutes here max, and then I'm gonna go to my private Zoom with the VIP. You swing trade, Duncan, right? I mean, I don't really consider it a swing trade. I kind of intraday trade completely, as in I catch, like, I only take 1 to 2 trades a day. It's usually 1 trade, right? And I'm always trying to catch the full move of the session. So I think it's like, I'm literally the exact definition of what they say. I hate saying it. I hate when fucking be like, oh, are you a scalper? Are you? I don't fucking know. I take trades, but it really is the perfect definition is like really intraday trader. You know, I try to catch the whole day trades move, you know. This candlestick is about to go bullish as fuck. Literally. This thing's about to fucking fly. GJ's about to fly high key. I'm thinking if we should just take a 20-30 pip buy. I don't think we'll get stopped out with 25 pips on GJ. 25 pips right here. Will we get stopped out with 25 pips on DJ?
I got away with the white, you just like your father and he was a rat. So that mean he raising the mice. Yeah, I had to try through the night. Yeah, I put that pack on the flight. Yeah,
GJ keeps on bouncing. 5-minute and 15-minute scalps are money right now.
I put 2 hoes on the same flight. Cooked up 10 bricks in the same pot. I shot 4 niggas the same Glock. Too many you niggas got the same watch. Why you compete with me, nigga? We are not playing with the same chick. It's murder, no murder for half. And that shit been stuck on my mindset. Coming in and the money don't fold.
High key, if this low gets touched right now, if this 15-minute flips bearish, we're gonna keep on selling out on GJ. That's gonna be an interesting way. I mean, my prediction early on during pre-London was that we're gonna have a melt out early London session. Hence why we're not in a fucking long right now. All right, boys, you guys are gonna have to give me a minute to go use the restroom. The coffee is hitting. Be right back, brothers. I apologize for leaving you guys like that. I won't take too long at all. Un segundo. What to do, primo? Un segundo.
I was really in the streets, you can do your research. Set coming in and the money don't fold. Gotta put a stamp on it. Yeah, hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the camp on it. Pussy ass nigga always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it. Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on it. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. I'ma push your face on it. Rolls Royce truck on the way, cashed out for it. Still had to wait on it. Plug for the round, send the round down kind. Nigga still had to pay for it.
Think it's a game.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah. I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit, yeah. 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 Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Yeah. Every day we lit. Can't wait to get that vodka run. Put it on my arm. Just counted the 50 with my mom. The ball done. All my car came from. My chain glowing. I ain't going, man. Look where we came from. All your bangles got my name on it. She want me to put my name on it. I got the hottest 16, one of the best you ever seen. But she like it when I sang on it. I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah. I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, now I'm getting rich, yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit, every day we lit, oh yeah.
Think it's a game.
Can't wait to get that new drop, put that on my block. I just copped a new beam, put that on my Glock. I done stepped my game up, got my change up. I swear on my niggas, I won't never change up. Rollie all of my wrist, rollie all of my bitch. I ain't going back, bro, never. Now a nigga get rich, I did it all on my own. Then nobody gave me a loan. Now my diamonds on froze. Now I'm fucking niggas hoes. I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit, yeah. Did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist, yeah. I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich, I swear every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. You can't tell me shit, yeah. Remember I was broke, yeah. Now I'm getting rich, yeah. When you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, oh yeah. Every day we lit, yeah. Every day we lit, every day we lit, every day we lit, yeah.
Think it's a game.
I say every day we lit. You can't tell me shit. Yeah. Every day we lit.
All right, we back. We back. Woo. Where's my... You're in DAX buys. GJ, so let's look at the GJ right now. Let's look at the GJ. All right, let's look at GJ right now. GJ is saying that we had a huge hourly rejection, man. Like, that is a huge rejection of the hourly, and this hourly candlestick has so much momentum left in it. Clearly, look at this shit right now. It's fucking dying. Wow, it's really dying right now. Yeah, big melt. Big melt. Where's my phone? Woo! Who's in the GJ cells? Anybody in GJ cells right now? There has to be somebody in the GJ cells, bruh. You are, but you close out early. This guy's in it. Jesus Christ. Shout out to everybody in GJ cells. You guys are nasty. Jesus Christ, you're just bouncing all over the place. Scalpers market. Scalpers market. All right, no wick. I don't trust it. You think it's gonna go back up? I don't know what the fuck I think is gonna happen with GJ right now. My prediction for pre-London, I said that I think that we're gonna get a huge push downwards at the beginning of the session. Now, I just need to wait for candlestick confirmations to tell me we're actually gonna form some nice support, or maybe for candlestick confirmations telling me that we're gonna have a reversal. Up to the moment, it looks like we're gonna keep on selling out. Looks like the sellout is a little bit real right now. Look at the 1 hour again. 1 hour, a lot left in this 1 hour. What's the chance that this 1 hour could actually flip bullish again? That's what we want to be thinking if we're looking for buys right now, right? We just barely tapped a level that was resistance before, right? This level of resistance, this is the hourly candlestick chart that we're looking at, so it makes everything even more valuable. Hey man, I'll look at USD JPY right now. Give me a second. So this was resistance right here. We couldn't break this resistance. After we closed above resistance or at this resistance, we had a huge spike pushing us upwards. We're coming back down. It's basically a break and retest of this level of resistance, right? Magnet to magnet. Remember, support and resistance act like magnets. Magnet up here, magnet down here. Now it's really guessing where we're going to go from this magnet. You know, are we going to keep on pushing downwards, touch the hourly 50 SMA, or are we going to come back upwards to this 8 SMA, which is a weaker magnet? You know, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. In 7 minutes, this 30-minute candlestick will close. This 30-minute candlestick looks very like our 1 hour candlestick. So that's also going to give us a clean picture on what we think is going to happen. Or, you know, give us a cleaner picture to be able to understand what's going to happen. Gotta be sharp with GJ nowadays, boys. GJ is moving volatile right now. It's moving low volatility, then I know we're big volatility. Then low volatility, big volatility. Definitely gotta be sharp. Oh. Alright, I'll check out USD JPY right now for you, brother. USD JPY. Wow. UJ looks. Wow, that's why you were telling me. I see why you were crying, UJ. Yeah, UJ looks clean for buys. Now, does it look A-class setup? I think it's a B setup, you know. It still has this chance of keep on going bearish. I see why how it could be a fake buy, like how it could fake out the buyers and keep on going bearish. Nonetheless, I see exactly why it could trigger in a whole bunch of sellers and then they could just turn around and go long, especially with all this bullish momentum that we've been having. So yes, I agree with your setup, brother. Now GU is going downwards, so the dollar is getting stronger. So it's interesting because GJ right now is going upwards and GU I think is going downwards a bit. So you're on UJ. Dollar's getting stronger, but also you're hoping for the yen to get weaker. Yeah, UJ longs. Yeah. You're in a money setup. Anybody in these GJ longs right now? Anybody taking this bounce? Man, we're gonna have a good session today, boys. Rain, what to do, Rain? I feel like the music's a little bit too high. I just barely put down the music, boys. What to do, Barnes? How's everything, brother? Man, the GJ longs look like money right now. They really do look like money. How was my weekend? My weekend was great. I met up with one of the bullish lives. So I met up with somebody who comes to the live stream every single day. I met one of the streamers just like you guys. I met him. I met up with him at some place. I was at some place that he said he lived by. some like little resort place, and he came by, had some drinks, had some food, had some Forex long conversations. I love being able to fucking be on vacation, like vacation in quotation, like be enjoying like my day and having like Forex. You know, like we come to the charts and we come to this fucking YouTube live stream because this is like where we can talk about the charts. You know, this is like where we have fucking the conversations that we actually care about. You know, when we're people throughout the day like talking about fucking retarded bullshit when we're in groups of people. You know, they like talking about shit, and then I know where we come with like, oh yeah, we're talking. We tried catching this crazy ass trade last night and we missed out on 300 pips. And I don't know where they're like, what the fuck are you talking about? And it's like, bruh. Like, get with the fucking program, you know? You fucking, yeah, it's just like, I fucking, so whenever I'm with a group of traders, I always feel like, I don't know, I can just talk about, you know, the charts, you know? Here I talk about the charts by myself, or like with you guys, I guess, but like I'm here fucking blabbering by myself. So it's dope being able to like meet up with new people and like just fucking talk about the charts. Talk about charts is dope. It's the type of talk I want to be around, you know? Not talking about goddamn the latest album that just came out. And fucking the latest fucking, I don't want to be talking about fucking Barbie in the movies. Alright, what do I think of USD CAD? Let's look at USD CAD. Do you like USD CAD? Weekly. When we come to the weekly on USD CAD, I mean, Jesus Christ, I'm not really sure. I don't really trade this pair, brother. To tell you the truth, it's obviously bullish as fuck. I just don't know where you would actually catch an entry on this bullshit. Especially with it rallying like this. I don't even know. Yeah, it's not tradable right now. It could keep on rallying or it could come back for a big retracement. Anybody in you? Dude, that's the long we should have been catching. Alright, back to the 1 hour on GJ. We're back to the 1 hour on GJ. 30 minutes gonna close in 2 minutes, boys. 30-minute candlestick on GJ is basically, what is this candlestick called, boys? This is not a doji. It's more. It's a hammer. I call it a continuation candlestick. But let's see what the fuck happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Wow, this might recover. These SMAs might flip, or they might hold the way that they're holding, and then it goes bullish. Let's see what happens. VIP stream, boys, is gonna start at 4 in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, next 30-minute candlestick, I'm gonna close this YouTube live stream, and we are gonna continue with our private Zoom chat. And I think that's where I'm gonna. I mean, if I see a setup here, I think I'll be patient. I know that there's gonna be a lot more trades to come. I'm down to keep on breaking down charts, and if I really do see an A+ setup, we're taking the A+ setup, of course. We're never gonna miss out on an A+ setup. But right now, I don't really feel like risking it for the biscuit. I think I'd rather risk it for the biscuit with the Zoom boys, like Luke. Who's VIP in here waiting to fucking start the private Zoom? I only see Luke in here. Who's private VIP and is ready to start the Zoom? One's in the chat if you're a private VIP. Ooh. Oh yeah, Eric. Eric also. You got Eric, Luke, Rain, Fofana. Dude, I'm ready to have a fucking good day. I'm so fucking ready to start off the fucking month good and shit. Well, we already started off the month rough. Our last trade was a break even. Well, that's not rough. Oh, Fofana. So Fofana, DM me. Oh, do we have anybody, any of the VIP members like any of the VIP members that could help Fofana get in? Any of the VIP members that could help Fofana get in this bitch? Usually we have Frank helping. Paras, I beg you to help this dude. Alright, 30-minute candlestick is about to close on GJ, boys. 30-minute candlestick just barely closed, and this is why I call it a continuation candlestick, boys. Do you see why I call this a continuation candlestick? Unless this flips on my ass right now, which I don't think it's going to flip on my ass right now, this is exactly why I call it a continuation candlestick. A lot of people think that this means reversal. For me, this means that this is going to continue. And then a lot of people think, like, this has a little bit of a mini wick, but a lot of people think that if there's no top wick, it needs to turn around also. Boys, just because there's no top wick, that could also mean that it's a momentum candlestick. Like, for example, right here. Oh, look what I just did. Look right here. Look at this bullish candlestick right here. No bottom wick at all. Why? Because there's just pure momentum in it. So imagine there's a little bit of a mini wick right here, but continuation candlestick, pure momentum downwards. You know, if you zoom out, it doesn't really look like it has a but that's a momentum candlestick. I mean, that's a continuation candlestick. That's what I call it. I've literally, yeah, it's a part of the bullish lifestyle. GU melting. Yeah, that dollar's getting strong. Whoever took those UJ longs is eating. Oh, UJ is not going up anymore. Interesting. GJ is died. Let's look at EU. EU is literally what it sounds like. EU, like disgusting. It's fucking. EU is EU. Ain't touching EU. EU. Can't get that out of my head now. Damn! GU's dying, boys! What's up with the DXY? DXY's flying. Anybody in here that does not know what the DXY is, when I say DXY or when I say the dollar index, I want to know, because there might be some people that are at a beginner level that are scared to ask, and I know we're here for everybody, brother. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. We're all doing the same thing. We all got the same goal. We're all in the same seats. Frank, yes, we have somebody who could help. Fofana. Frank will guide you to greatness, dude. Frank's a fucking awesome guy. Frank always helps willingly, fucking just like for free, like gives up his time and fucking. You guys are boys. A lot of people also help out like fucking Frank all the time. I really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. You guys are like fucking gang. I like calling it OGs. Alright, but you guys see perfectly why I called it a continuation candlestick before the fucking next candlestick even came out. That is the continuation candlestick. It's an aggressive style of trading, like if you're gonna hop in after a continuation candlestick. It's an aggressive style, but if you know how to manage your risk correctly, definitely could play out. EU. No, EU, yes. I'm sorry to say, but you say GJ buy, GJ sell if you are seeing one candle down saying sell. So, alright, let me see. I'm sorry to say this. It's okay if you say it, brother. But you say GJ buy, GJ sell. If you are seeing one candle down saying sell, saying buy, nice trader. That's completely false. That means that you have never been in my stream. If you're saying that I say the candlestick goes down and that means sell, and the candlestick goes up and I start saying buy, I think that that's what you typed out. Then you are completely ridiculously wrong. So you should be sorry for what you said. I literally, whenever the candlestick is actually going upwards, I say that there's a sell, and whenever the candlestick is going downwards, I say there's a buy. So if I'm calling out buys and sells, it's completely the opposite of what you're saying. So one's in the chat if you guys agree with me, or I guess two's in the chat if you agree with him. But if I call out buys and sells all day, I call out buys whenever price is going downwards. I never hop into a buy whenever fucking price is going downwards. I mean, in a sell. That's ridiculous. That's literally I could be saying buy, sell, yeah, because guys, the chart changes. It's like there's a setup, and then that setup might get destroyed. You know, we're waiting for candlestick confirmation. We're trying to anticipate the market, right? I'm here giving trade ideas. I'm not taking an actual. Now, if I was fucking actually taking a buy and then taking a sell and then taking a buy and then taking a sell, that'd be completely ridiculous. I'm not doing that. I'm keeping my eyes open to both possibilities that are still there on the table until I see that until I see that A+ setup. Like right now, if I'm looking at this and I had to take a trade right now, it would most likely be a buy, brother. It would most likely be a buy. And why have I not tried to take a trade? Honestly, because we're getting ready to close this live stream within like the next 10-15 minutes. I'm going to my private VIP, and then we're gonna take a trade with the VIP. And there's no A+ setup right now. I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit on something I wouldn't really want to take. What did the XY just hit TP on the DAX? Dude, truthfully, I didn't even know you could trade the DAX. I mean, oh wait, it's an index. I mean, I guess. Is that usually like when you trade the SPX, you're trading it against the dollar, right? Like US 30. We trade the DAX is the dollar. Been here for a while, he knows what he's doing. LOL. Boys, I don't know how the fuck I ended up on GBPCAD, but I mean, honestly, if I did have to give my overall bias, boys, is bias for the night, right? Would I be trying to take sells? Not really, especially after this huge move. Now, are sells still a possibility? Like I said, 100%, boys. You can never count out a different, like, you know, the opposite buy. Like, anything can happen on the charts, boys. Anything. Charts have a mind of its own. Now, do I like that price is going downwards and I'm not in a trade? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, because I know that I'm bullish overall on the market, and as price goes downwards, it's just giving me better opportunities to be able to take buys, right? Better levels and stronger levels of support to get hit. So what I'm looking at right here on this 4-hour candlestick, we have two options on this 4-hour candlestick. This could be a fib long on the 4-hour candlestick. Lows, highs, we're on the 0.618 rejection, right? Our golden zone, this is where we love taking buys, right? A part of the bullish bias. What would happen here? Our hourly candlestick would stay and close around here. Maybe next hourly candlestick goes a little bit into drawdown, but we'd be trying to recover this 8 SMA, right? We're trading beneath this 8 SMA. If you zoom outwards and you look at the hourly candlestick chart, look, we've been trading above the 8 SMA on the hourly candlestick chart for hours and hours and hours now. We're beneath it right now. First time we've actually been beneath it. Well, this time we closed beneath it, recovered it right away. This time we're a lot more beneath it. I think the chance that we could recover it is also there big time. Right? So that's what the setup would be for the hourly candlestick chart. Looking into the 30-minute, it's the same thing. You know, strong levels of support. This level of support right here is a resistance level that we already talked about. We'll look at the 4-hour candlestick chart. Let me take off this fib because this fib is like getting in the way of what we're looking at. So yeah, that's the strong level of support. Would be the fib long based off this 4-hour candlestick right here. Resistance support are the lows right here. You know, if this is a fib, that means that we have to make a new high, meaning that this is going to get broken. Right, following, that's the bullish setup. Now, don't get confused when I start talking about the next setup, which is the sells. What could happen with the sells? It doesn't mean that I'm saying buy now. It doesn't mean that I'm saying sell here. No, I'm giving you guys the, you know, I'm not going to just sell you guys to one idea that it means buy. I'm going to tell you guys what could happen now on the chart if it starts going downwards. Hourly candlestick. The previous hourly candlestick was still very bearish, boys. Very bearish candlestick, closed beneath the 8-hour SMA, right? Another possibility is that this is faking out the buyers, triggering a whole bunch of buyers. Realistically, this hourly candlestick still has 20 minutes left in it. In the first 10 minutes, we already went down so much. 20 minutes, this candlestick could easily just keep on going downwards. Like I said, just like it could easily just start coming back and recovering this 8 SMA that we are targeting right here. But the previous candlestick did close beneath the 8 SMA, and it did close very bearish. So whenever you're talking about basic price action, you have a higher probability chance of the previous candlestick, of the next candlestick being the same as its previous candlestick, right? Not by a lot, and it really just depends on where you're looking at. There's a lot more factors factored into it, but generally, there's a bearish candlestick. Most likely, not most likely, but higher percent chance you're going to see another bearish candlestick. This candlestick could easily keep on closing down here and close down here, and the next candlestick show rejections or have a huge reaction down there. But magnets, remember, price jumps from magnet to magnet. What I'm trying to say is that this hourly could keep on going downwards. Look at the 4-hour candlestick chart. 4-hour candlestick chart closes in an hour and 20 minutes. I mean, the fib on the 4-hour candlestick chart does look very strong, specifically with the rejection we're showing here. But in an hour and 20 minutes, it's GJ. It's very volatile. This would be the target if you're looking for sells. If you're sold on that this sells, sold on there's a strong level of resistance here. You're sold on that the weekly candlestick chart needs to start wick filling what it left downwards when it was the daily, well, the monthly. It needs to start wick filling what it left downwards. All this needs to be wick filled. That would be your sell setup, right? It's good to be bullish and bearish at the same time, boys. You know, you wait for the right candlestick confirmations, even if the setup isn't like completely correct. If you put yourself in the correct position, there could be you could still get away with break even or getting away to your take profit one and then being wrong with your bias. I'm not sure if that made sense to some people. Erase this chart. Let me read the chat. I haven't read the chat in a while. Nobody's been saying shit in the chat. High key, I like longs on GJ, boys. I'm not gonna call a signal, but I like longs on GJ. In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna close the live stream and we're gonna open up the Zoom for the VIP members, boys. Start talking about myself. Thoughts on gold? Man, and when I look at the higher candlestick, when I look at the higher time frames on gold, because gold is always bouncing around on its mind of its own. This gives me like a fib setup, right? Like this looks like for me, this looks like it's an impulse to the upside, and then I don't know where all these daily moves. This is the daily candlestick chart, so all these days to the downside. I feel like, you know, we're at a 0.618 level on the daily. Like this gives me correction vibes. Correction vibes meaning that we need a new impulse to the opposite side. So like this is like a descending channel with low momentum. I feel like we could easily get like a randomly strong bullish candlestick. But like realistically, if you were gonna play the safe route, it would be a 10 to 20 pip trade sell, looking for a sell with a continuation of what's already happening, you know, following the trend on the smaller time frame. But shit looks like it's gonna reverse. I don't know. The gold looks choppy as fuck where it is right now, you know. So if you're confused on gold, I'm confused also. You know, I'm not gonna lie and tell you that I feel like I'm fucking confident with what I know what's gonna happen on gold. GJ I feel a little bit more confident with. Gold looks ridiculous right now. Wicks to the downside, showing me huge bearish momentum. But we've been going down already for so long. Jesus Christ. Like I just don't know how much we would continue. Why do I prefer SMAs over EMAs? It's just, I mean, I think both of them, you know, it's whatever you really find your best confluence with, whatever you feel most confident with, whatever you understand the most. And because I started trading with SMAs for the most, I mean, I've switched to EMAs and I've actually mixed up EMAs with SMAs. I just see the most, I have the best results when I'm trading with my SMAs. Yeah, gold has definitely been accumulating price. It's been ranging. And it's been pretty volatile. It's setting up for something. Imagine that's the sniper gold buy. Huh. GJ's recovering type shit. Pretty scary, pretty scary, pretty scary. I'm going long. I'm going long on GU pretty soon, boys. I'll take GU longs. Actually, I won't. Actually, I won't. Who knows, boys? I'm gonna start ending the stream. I want to go into Zoom with my chat before we miss out on an actual trade. Boys, thank you guys so much for joining the live stream. Tomorrow we're gonna have a longer live stream, so make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys know when we go live. We're gonna go live tomorrow around pre-London session, and we're gonna last around 2-3 hours. We're gonna make sure we catch a banger tomorrow, free on live stream. So make sure that you guys join in tomorrow. Like I said, follow us on Instagram. Follow my personal Instagram, follow the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you guys want to be in the private Discord session with us, sign up to the VIP. Not much more to say, boys. I'm sorry we're not having a long live stream. I just need to make sure I show priority to my VIP members. Don't want to leave them hanging. So, see you later, boys. Love GU longs, by the way. Peace. Love you, banger.
Went to school, I know nada.
like squash.
Jerry Production.
My daddy on my mom. I don't really like squash.
JR.